Yes, change. Have 2 points change a lot. The structure of the club and the organization of the club. This is 2 points very important because when I come, the club don't have nothing. Don't have. It's like we go to the office of the president, and now we have your office. We have a place to see videos, like a professional structure. And the other point is the players. When I come, the players don't know the basic futsal movements basically. Now he knows to play futsal, and this is very important. Yeah, in the trainings I try to give. I don't know if the players take or not take, but sometimes when I see a mistake or when I see make something wrong or something we make good and to take advantage with our opponents, I try to give some advice. Of course, I don't know if the players take or not, but I try. First time I came, it's like amateur level, and the players are not so good. But now, after 3 years, I think they have a big development. I don't know if come legionnaires, come another coaches to give some lessons. But not only Nikars have a good development, but the other teams are grow up too, and they have a big level now.
What about our other team, the sports in Spain?
Yes, I think he take a good coach, young coach with new illusions, and he have a good team. And he show now in this first year in first division, he have quality, and year after year grow up and up and up. We have strong opponents like Raba and Sporting Manicars. I think he are two good teams organization. The others is not so good, but when I come, he are not so good, and now we have a small level. The other teams, these two teams, of course, they are strong teams, and he show now this in this tournament. For example, in the cup, now we gonna play semifinals against Sporting Manicars, and we're gonna play the championship final with Raba. Raba is a good opponent. He have good players, and we have to work a lot to win these two teams. I think for compete with these clubs, first we have to have a championship very strong, to don't relax like games. For example, we have games strong against with these two teams, Sporting Manicars and Rab, and maybe don't have the level of Barcelona. If we have 10 teams with the big level, you have to work all the weekends, and you have to think about this and work hard to win the games. This is first point, and second point, of course, you have to have good players to stay with, not only with 3-4 legionnaires, because for example, if you see Barcelona, you have 6 Spanish and the other is Brazilian or another country, but very big level. If you have 6 players, very big level, and the players of here have a good level, you can stay with Barcelona like pair. But if you don't have, you have only 2-3 legionnaires, and after you have the level not so good because the championship here is not so good, you can stay so close Barcelona. I think we're gonna have a good games against Raba, strong games of course, because Raba is a good opponent. We're gonna respect Raba, but we want to win, and this is our expectation for the final, because this club only play to win, and we're gonna try to win this final, and it's possible in 3 games.